Alright, let's get started with Project Glue and let's set up a new project. So we've got, well, a Blender project, but not yet a Glue project here. And this is the Sprite Fright project that you can download from blender.org. And you can see here, this is the root folder for Sprite Fright, and this is the main scene. Then all the other files it references are inside of here. We've got this library file including the main character, the bird, and their Blender files. For all of these, we've got environment files, all of these. So what we want is a Glue project that includes this and all of the subdirectories. So we'll just go to Glue and create project, and here this already opens up the folder for the Blender file that we're in, which is exactly what we want. Otherwise we could navigate to the folder that we want, but we want this one, so we're just going to stay here and go to create project. And what that does, if we refresh, it's created this glue.json file here, and now we can access all the operations for Glue. If we go to one of these, the first time we do it, there's going to be a little bit of a waiting period. Glue has to go through, and in order to know what's in your project, it has to go through and open up every file. Now, this will take a while. It'll take however long it takes to open up every file in your project. So if your Blender files take a long time to open up in Blender, this is going to take a long time. If that's quick, this will be quick. And the good news is this only has to be done once, unless you happen to go and, change a bunch of files at once outside of Blender. Maybe if you're using a Git repository and you switch branches or something, or you go back to a previous commit. But other than that, this only has to be done once. And then every time you open a file, it's going to have to read the cache, but reading the cache is much faster. So if we refresh this again, you'll see it's created this .glue folder, and this contains the cache within it. If we go ahead and close Blender and reopen it, okay, I've reopened Blender. Now when we go to do an operation, you'll see that we have to read the cache, but this is much faster than creating the cache. And we only have to do this once every time we open up Blender, or open up Blender within a given project. So if we were to go to this again, we're not even going to have to read the cache, it's already there. And now we can access all the operations. So that's what we need to do to get set up, and check out the other videos for all the operations that you can now perform. Thank you.